Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we will see a term called current asset, a financial term which appears in the balance sheet. Current assets represent all the assets of a company that are expected to be conveniently sold, consumed, used, or exhausted through standard business operation within 1 year. Current assets appear on the company's balance sheet. One of the required financial documents that must be completed every year. Current assets would include cash, cash equivalent, accounts receivable, stock inventory, marketable security, prepaid liability, and other liquid assets. Current asset may also be called current accounts. Current assets contrast with the long-term assets, which represent the asset that cannot be feasibly turned into cash in the space of a year. They generally include land, facility, equipment, copyright, and other illiquid investment. Current assets are important to business because they can be used to fund day-to-day business operation and to pay for ongoing operating expenses. Since the term is reported as a dollar value of all assets and resources that can be easily converted into cash in a short period, it also represents companies' liquid assets. However, cash should be taken to include only the qualifying assets that are capable of being liquidated at a fair price over a next 1 year period. For instance, there is a strong likelihood that many commonly used fast moving consumer goods, that is the goods produced by the company, can be easily sold over a next year. Inventory is included in the current asset, but it may be difficult to send land or heavy machinery, so they are excluded from the current asset. Depending on the nature of the business and the products it markets, current asset can range from barrels of crude oil, fabricated goods, work in progress inventory, raw material, or foreign currency. Thanks for watching. Bye.